Hello and welcome to Orchids 365. If you're new, if you've been here, welcome back. I hopped on here to show you a quick unboxing. I found an Etsy shop through Instagram. I follow, I think it's Barefoot Orchids, and I didn't know they were a seller, and then I found their link on their profile. And you know, I love supporting small businesses, so I got a few orchids. I'm going to show you. This is the first time I ever purchased from them because I had no idea that they sold orchids. So I don't know. Very well packaged. Nothing moves in there. I believe here's the first one. Sorry for the noise. I have the... It's like you're unwrapping toys on Christmas. Look at that. Oh, what a cutie. Here we have the BC Air Mososa Mickey Mouse. It's a Nodosa hybrid. And do I have any hitchhikers? Because usually things always crawl on me. It's very pretty, very well packaged. A lot of new growth. Look at those rootsies sticking out there. What a cutie. I'm going to put her here with her tag, and then I'm going to put a stock picture from their shop on there. Next baby. It's been a week. Getting better. I may or may not have treated myself to deal with stress. Guilty as charged. Taiwan Big Lip. Wow, this is one that I really wanted. What a beauty. No, put her in there. Oh, I have another rubber band there. I'm gonna cut it. And I think it'll come out just fine. I don't want to like... Welcome home, baby. Oh my goodness, how pretty. Beautiful, healthy. Look at that new growth. So pretty. Oh my. Oh man, I made a mess. All right. Woohoo. Taiwan Chameleon. Mickey's Freckles with BSM Mike High. Wow. Pretty, pretty. Again, I'm going to try to put the stock pictures from the shop that match the IDs so you guys can see what the flower will look like. Oh my. Thank you for joining me. I hope that you've enjoyed it. And here are my 3 new beautiful babies. Thank you. Bye.